What's going on, guys? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Happy Sunday. Thought I'd come back real quick to just cover GotBackup Pro, this promotion that they've got, because it ends in a matter of hours at this point. They promo, okay, that the company is given. If you haven't checked this out, the link is in the description, or you can go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, guys, and you'll see this image here. You can click the image or come right here and click Get Started Today. All right, so we've been talking about this since last Saturday, there was a webinar from the CEO where he came out and talked about this new program, all right, that he's added to the GotBackup ecosystem, if you will, right? And so from that day I saw the webinar, I went ahead and immediately upgraded. That was last Saturday. It's already been a week, and today at midnight Central Time, it's off the table, right? So just want to come back out and just make sure you guys are aware that you want to get upgraded. If you're in this program with me, GotBackup, right? You're paying $9.97 a month right now for 6 terabytes of storage, 6 separate accounts for $9.97 a month. This is cloud. This is a cloud storage service everybody needs, because everybody has smartphones and computers, and you should be backing them up, because if you lose all your digital data, it's gone, right? So this particular program is very affordable, and it's a service that everybody needs, so it's really a no-brainer. Me personally, I had iCloud. I was spending $9.99 a month for 2 terabytes, one account, right? And I wasn't getting referral commissions for telling people about iCloud. Whereas GotBackup, I get 6 terabytes, 6 separate accounts for $9.97. And it's unlimited devices. So for me, it was a no-brainer just to make the switch. And then to find out that I could refer people to this service and earn $20 every time somebody signed up for $9.97. Or I could earn $49 if someone decided, hey, well, I want to just pay the $99.97 for the year and not have to worry about the monthly. Okay, so for me, that was just a no-brainer. They have a whole back office, marketing system, the whole nine. All of that is included for $9.97. So I was like, hey, it's a win-win. I've got to back up my devices anyway. Why not make the switch? And I did that months ago. Now GotBackup has added this pro plan here. Okay, as I stated, the owner came out last week and been talking about it pretty much all week about this new plan. This is perfect for all my digital marketers, affiliate marketers, right, our network marketers, because we need marketing tools. If you're out here in the make money online space, you're promoting whatever it is, digital products, whatever the programs you're promoting, you must have a marketing system. It's critical. Okay, it's essential to have a marketing system that includes emails. Okay, you need to be building your list, because if any of these social media platforms went away or shut down accounts, right, what do you have left, right? Whereas if you have your own email list that you can simply just email out to people, it works, guys. I'm telling you. I've been doing this for quite a long time. And these emails, people get them. They can be on your list for years. And all of a sudden, you may send an email about something that piques their interest, or something they kind of been on the fence for a while and decided, well, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and sign up. That's gold. Okay? So anyway, what this is, so it's $499.97 one time, but right now, up until midnight tonight, this comes off the table. This is waived for us right now. Okay, that's why I went ahead and upgraded last week so I wouldn't forget. didn't have to pay this $499.97. All I had to do was upgrade and pay $19.97, $10 more than I was already paying, right? I was already paying $9.97, so for $10 more, I was automatically upgraded to the Pro. Now anybody that signs up, right, I can make $200 commissions, and you can too. If anybody purchases this $499.97 plan, you earn $200, okay? Now let's get into this. But what does it entail? All right, all of these things here. But before we get into that, I want the owner of the program to tell you why he thinks you should upgrade. So let's check this out. Hang on. Check it out.
The final day to get the GotBackup Pro package. So you might be wondering, if you're new to internet marketing, like, what will these products do for me? Well, these products, the reason we develop them is that these are the only tools that I've used to build an 8-figure business and do almost $300 million online in sales, which include, number one, your autoresponder. Build your list. The bigger your list, the more money that you make. Number two, VidUber. You know, like I'm doing right now, I'm using VidUber to get this video out to you. And when you do video, people just subconsciously come to know, like, and trust you. Then we've got the viral components of Memory Place. Memory Place is super cool because you're just doing a deed of amazing good to people, right? Some person has some event, wedding, birthday party, graduation, that's really important to them. You give them a Memory Place account for free, where all their guests can send all their pictures and videos in real time. You can read more about it on the page here. And now you've done something super, super nice for somebody. And of course now, their heart opens a little bit to trusting you about other products and services that you have. That definitely works. And then last but not least, Testimonial Generator is another amazing tool, again, that you can give away for free when you help a business owner go and acquire a bunch of testimonials with the snap of a finger. Then of course, they're more apt to listen to you. And let's face it, any business owner who needs testimonials is going to what? They're going to need to back up their data, right? That's the most important thing to them. So again, tonight at midnight, the offer comes off the table. What is the offer? Well, the general public pays $497 up front and $19.97 per month. You guys are not going to pay the $497. That's completely wiped off the table. And then the additional bonus that I'm giving to you, that's an absolute no-brainer, is if you go for the Pro for the year, we're actually going to give you 100 leads. Now, we do co-ops all the time, and so 100 leads would cost us cost you guys $250, and the package itself for the year is only $199.97, right? So just the traffic alone, just the leads alone is worth more than what the whole package is. And if you go and combine all these tools, what they would cost for the year, it's truly close to $2,000. If you went to Aweber or GetResponse for your autoresponder, or if you went to Vimeo for your video streaming, of course, Testimonial Generator and Memory Place are completely unique products that we have and we have only. So again, guys, I look forward to working with you. It's an absolute no-brainer. If you upgrade for the month, it's only $10 or more for the month. And again, if you upgrade for the year, we're going to give you 100 co-op leads absolutely free. So I look forward to working with you guys as a Pro member.
All right, guys, so you heard it from the owner. So he just covered basically all of this right here, which is what I was going to go over. But I wanted you to hear it from him. So anyway, this is what you're going to get. And as a marketer, okay, online, all these tools are essential. And it's only going to do what? Help you generate more leads, which in turns leads to more sales, right? Then you can turn around and resell these 5 that they have here: the Testimonial Generator, the VidUber, Memory Place, Email Marketing Platform, and the Funnel Page Builder, okay? So just wanted to come back and show you guys that, and a friendly reminder that in just a few hours, this part will be off the table. So look at here. This is telling you, let's see here. Okay, this is on this page here, and so many hours. See, and it's probably even less than that now. But if you've already joined me, guys, and paying $9.97, all you would need to do is just upgrade, and you're automatically going to be a Pro member. All right, so let's get down to this. become a pro member, you're going to automatically get access to these tools. I'm going to show you my back office in a second. Become a pro member, you automatically get the tools, and you're now able to collect 3-tier fast start bonuses as a pro member. So anyone comes here and they buy this going forward now, it's going to be $499. When some see, we're saving $499.97. But when folks go here going forward and we promote this thing and they purchase the $499 pro plan, you're able to earn $200 commissions. That's on tier 1. Okay, that's you sharing your link. $200. Now, on tier 2, you're going to earn $50 commissions. Your direct member brings in a new pro member. They get $200, you get $50. Tier 3, your level 2 member enrolls a pro member. They get $200, you get $50. No brainer. And you only had to pay $10 more to be able to earn $200 commissions and $50 commissions on a real service, a cloud storage service, first of all, that everybody needs. And now you have pretty much the business in a box affiliate marketing plan. That's what you're getting here. These are all the tools that we could use. Okay, that's the great thing, number 1. But then number 2, to be able to resell all of these. That's where the power comes into play. Because let me tell you, I just used Uber today. Had never heard of it. Used today. I'll come back another day and show you guys what I did. And this right here, I believe, is going to be amazing. This member replace, definitely. And then, of course, email marketing platform, guys. You can always use an email marketing platform. Well, it's required. Okay. I happen to have the one with them, but I have another one that I am a part of. And I've been building my list for years now. Okay. You've got to build your list. It's critical. It's just critical. So, an amazing program. So, $200 commissions over and over and over. Now, let's go over here. We have the back office. I'm already logged in. As you can see right up here, it says Pro. Let me just click something so you can see that I am logged in. Okay, hopefully it didn't log me out. We shall see in a second. Let's see. Let's see if it logged me out. Okay, we're still in here. All right. So again, so you get this whole back office here. Even with the $9.97, you get these marketing funnels here. Okay. Look at all these funnels you get. You get the autoresponder, you get all that. But if you look right here, here are the tools that they said that we would get as a pro member. They're right here. Okay. So this definitely is an awesome program, even just for the $9.97. But if you want to scale this thing up, the pro is the way to go. Period. Lead generation on autopilot, residuals, and upfront commissions. You can't ask for anything more, and it's a real product. That's the thing. There's a lot of great digital programs out here. Wonderful. I'm in a few of them. But this is a necessity to have, just to back up your computer and your smartphone. It's just a necessity. So with that and the marketing resale of it, it's just a no-brainer. With that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. If you want to get signed up, go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Like the video, please, and thank you. On your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. Have a blessed day.